Welcome to our kitchen gadget review. Today, we're diving into the world of the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker. If you're looking to simplify your cooking process while saving time, this appliance might just be what you need. Overview. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is not just a pressure cooker, it's a versatile kitchen companion that combines 9 different appliances into one. It functions as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, warmer, sterilizer, and even a food warmer. Design and features. This model comes in a sleek stainless steel design, which not only looks great on your countertop but also ensures durability. The 6-quart capacity is perfect for families or meal prepping for the week ahead. One of the standout features of the Instant Pot Duo Plus is its user-friendly control panel, which allows you to select from various cooking programs with just a touch. Cooking performance. Whether you want to whip up a quick weeknight dinner or prepare a hearty meal for a gathering, the Instant Pot has got you covered. Thanks to its pressure cooking capabilities, you can cook meals up to 70% faster than traditional cooking methods. Plus, the included app features over 800 recipes, ensuring you'll never run out of meal ideas. Ease of use and cleaning. Cleanup is a breeze too. The stainless steel inner pot is dishwasher safe, and the lid is easy to clean, making this appliance a breeze to maintain. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen gadget reviews. Happy cooking, and we'll see you next time.
Rice cooker, yogurt.
Thanks for watching. Links in the description box for each product mentioned.